Welcome back, truthers, specifically flat earthers. There's a video here by another simple-minded person trying to spin the story that the Earth's a globe and why it's a globe. Man, if it was a globe, what's the big deal? But these people are always thrashing the topic because they have to keep you thinking it's a globe in case you wander off and find the truth. Now, look this video up on the internet. Here's a little bit of it. There's the image.
You should find that the sun path in your area will match the coordinates for your particular town on the day of equinox. Now,
so what's it called? Sun path angles tell the story.
At night time will follow the exact same path.
So this is how he's drawn it.
The sun goes over.
He's drawn it like this at the equinox. This is where you'll see the sun in these parts of the earth. So for a starter, he hasn't shown the ball. He's taken our flat plane of the flat earth to start with. And our whole flat plane design, the way we see things over our flat plane, is within our arc of horizon. Everything is in our personal arc of horizon. That's your horizon, okay? Horizon. And if that's your horizon, that's the horizon point there, right? Let's say 5k. 5k. All around you in a circle. That's the distance at your horizon. How's it going to... What about the rest of it? How's it going to appear? Does that make sense? It would have to be equal distance all the way around? Equal distance from the observer? Maybe that's how you do celestial navigation. Wow. Look at that, eh? Up from the horizon. There's a star. There's a star. What's the GP point? Ground position of that star, GP. Ground position of this star, GP. That's how we see things. All individual. To every man has his arc of horizon, so that's where he'll see his celestial bodies. Not from one location on Earth and think you're going to line up, find some sort of alignment with the celestial bodies. No. So anyway, this is his globe idea, and so look carefully at it. Go check the video out, then come back and check this out. This is our flat Earth system, right? These are the two star rotations, the northern hemisphere star rotation and the southern hemisphere star rotation. It comes out of the south. I'm going to the east, north, northwest, westerly, and back around again. They don't teach you that, but anyone can get out there with a camera and follow the stars. Specifically in the summer, when you'll find that the celestial body come right round here, so this is like southwest, sorry. Right around there, and right up here is southeast. Because they're separated. They actually come in over the season, they separate. So this is the way that the path, you can check out stars, follow the stars all the way around at night. Star trail photography. Anyone can see this. Aim your camera from here or there at the celestial equator. Use Orion's belt as a reference point. It's between the two rotations. See the stars curved there, stars curved there. It's quite obvious it works like this, because Earth's a dual system. It has to work like this because in the middle of the duality is the electromagnetic induction that creates the sun and the gap. The tropical gap of our flat Earth is where the sun's created. So between here and there is where the sun is. Because it's magnetic induction, it's all coming from the south, and it all comes out of the north. Right there. Capacitance between the two fields, build up of electromagnetic induction, gives you the electrical. The moving electrical creates a changing magnetic. The changing magnetic feeds the electrical. Quite obvious. Simple physics. So there's his model. This one man. There has to be, if he's doing it like that, there has to be that guy's arc of horizon here. That guy's arc of horizon over here. He's there. He's there. So you can't just put one arc of horizon and expect it to sort of look like that. It's not logical. It's just, he's just in dodo land. Typical glober. So there's Yeshua, Sydney. They're obviously in the southern hemisphere. Sydney, Yeshua, say, Onslow, Miami. Onslow, Miami. So let's say the sun was there. He's looking like this. Oh no, sorry. What am I doing? That's where he sees the sun. They see an image of their own sun. It's not just it's not an object, because that's within his arc of horizon. That's where he sees it. 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 So, understanding that the actual true sun is back here. See, this is why it's not easy to explain. The actual sun is back here, swinging around like a clock arm. So it sends an invisible beam out and then only shows the image within your arc of horizon, because your eyeballs, they pick up the image. Not his or his or his. Your own eyeballs pick up your own image on your arc of horizon. Okay? So the sun's coming around here. So where is it? Around here. This whole night sky, all the sister bodies here are mirrored images of this northern field. So the true field's coming around here, because it's all projected from in here though. Comes out like a clock arm. And the sun is a clock hand, say, moving around. At the same time it's coming out of here, moving around, swinging over this man's arc of horizon as it passes over to the next guy's. Same here. This here is mirrored to there. Everything is mirrored. You can see, if I shoot this way, I can see, I see Sirius and Rigel over here. But then that's mirrored, so Rigel becomes Betelgeuse. You have Betelgeuse over here, Betelgeuse or whatever they say, Betel, Geuse, and over here, because it's a cross, you see, where are we? It's like this. They get flipped. So that becomes that, or that becomes that, and Sirius becomes Aldebaran. There's the mirror image there. And then you've got the crux out here. The crux is mirrored back in here to the how do I draw that? The little dipper. The little dipper is the crux. You know, next to the crux out here, you've got that other false cross. Well, the false cross becomes the big dipper. So it's not as clear as daylight there, but you've got to understand this is all garbage. They don't know what they're talking about. They're just taking the simplest route, but nothing. It doesn't all marry up. They haven't got all the answers. All the answers are in the flat earth system, because it's the true system. So I can answer it all, but it's difficult to explain, because it's not straightforward. So this is why, you know, they all got confused back in the day and thought they'd start spinning this ball theory. But it's understanding the two motions, the two hemispheres, which creates the local sun between and through capacitance. Understand that. Sorry, I can't be bothered putting more time into it. Catch you later.